Hello everyone, it's already the 5th day I'm working on the Mercedes 190e, and today I'll show you how it's turning out. You've been asking me for a long time to sculpt a Mercedes. To sculpt it, I'm using Forza Horizon 4 to examine the car itself. I'm also making it using blueprints. For sculpting, I use very hard NSP clay and also hard sculpting clay. Mainly, the car is, of course, made of NSP clay, and there's hard green clay in the areas where strength and hardness aren't really needed. Almost the entire body is ready, except for the hood, trunk and roof. I think I'll be working on it for another 5 days. That's why I'm showing you this intermediate stage of the work. It already looks pretty good. You can tell by the shape that it's a Mercedes 190e. I'm making this car specifically for a crash test, meaning the destruction of the car. Since there haven't been any crash tests for 4 months now, and I can see how much you've missed them. Plus, this car has the right shape for a crash test. The body damage will be clearly visible on it. And for that, to make the crash as realistic as possible, I'm making the body panels as thin as possible so they bend better. Inside, you can see a frame made of green modeling clay. I attached the side body panels to it. I'll remove it later. It's a temporary solution. There's also foil. I pressed it tightly against the modeling clay as well. It's needed for strength and to create better damage effects. Without the foil, the modeling clay would take on rounded, smooth shapes. But with the foil, they come out sharper, resembling real car damage. The underside of the car is also completely finished. I tried to make it as detailed as possible. Here's a short video introduction to the work I've done. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the crash test of this Mercedes. And also, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye, everyone.